One of my favorite leading ladies and favorite politician, Naledi Pandor, is moving towards greener pastures. As you know, she retired from politics last year, and now the Nelson Mandela Foundation is congratulating her because she's going to be the new chancellor of the Nelson Mandela University, which is a big congratulations. And the one thing that I admire about this lady is that she stands her ground. She's firm. She's not scared of anyone, man. Like, she's one of the bravest ladies I know. And the reason she's one of my favorite politicians is because she's actually retiring from politics, leaving room for younger people, because we all know that Africa, South Africa, will be led by the youth. We have more youth in Africa than any other continent in the world, right? So we need more youth to be involved in politics. And when Naledi Pandor retired, you already know that someone younger will assume her role or fill up that gap. So we need more young people to be into politics so that we can fill this gap, because there's another politician, who's that, Gwade Mantashe, is also retiring. So we need more politicians, the elders, the old guys, especially in their 60s. It would be very nice if politicians actually did the whole politics thing, retired at the appropriate age that, you know, any other job would require you to retire, which is like 60, 65. Because at that point, if you're still a politician at 80 years, can we really, you know, depend on you to come up with information or energy? Or, man, like, you're tired at that point. You should just retire, right? So anyways, yeah, man, Naledi Pandor, she's one of those people who has the mind and the brain to think for the rest of us, knowing that, yeah, there are younger people out there who are into politics, who want to get into politics. But if we only see old people in politics, it might not even inspire us to get into politics, because we'll think politics is just for old people. And that's what I thought when I was growing up. I thought, politics are boring, it's just for old people. But if we see more young people, like the president of the ANC Youth League, Colin Malachi, young man, I think he's like 35 or something like that. So people like him are perfect to be entering politics. 30, 35, 36, those are the people we want to see in politics. Like Captain Ibrahim Traore, that guy's like 38, right? Those are the kind of presidents we want to see. Even in South Africa, representation for youth would be better if we had youthful politicians.